Good morning, everyone. Wish you a happy new year. I hope this new year brings lots of hope, joy, and happiness to all of you. Okay, now let's begin with the new chapter. We are going to study the topic synthesis in grammar. So, our new chapter is synthesis. Okay, so what is synthesis? To know what is synthesis, we must also know what is analysis. Breaking of sentence. When you are breaking down the sentence into phrases or clause. Okay, breaking of sentences into clauses or phrases, then it becomes what? It becomes analysis. Then it becomes analysis. And what is then synthesis? Synthesis is just the opposite of analysis. It is what? It is joining or combining. Okay? Joining or combining of sentences. What type of sentence? Two or more simple sentences into single sentences. Okay? Joining or combining of two or more of two or more simple sentences into single sentences. Then it becomes what? Then it becomes analysis. Then it becomes synthesis. So synthesis is joining of sentence and analysis is what? Analysis is breaking of sentence. Am I clear? Is this clear to all of you? So now let's read the definition that has been given in your book. So we have already seen how a sentence can be separated into its component according to its structure. The process of breaking a sentence into its phrase or clause is called analysis. Now, synthesis. Synthesis is the method of combining two or more simple sentences into single sentence, that is simple, compound, or complex. We can combine sentence by using adjective phrase, relative clause, adverbs, infinitives, preposition, conjunctions, or what? Participle phrase. Okay, so we have already discussed all these chapters, and we also know how we are going to join the sentence. So two or more simple sentences can be joined or can be combined to form one simple sentence, a compound sentence, or complex sentence in different ways. So we can join two or more simple sentences or compound sentence or complex sentences in different ways. So synthesis of simple sentence into compound sentence can be done by using coordinating conjunctions. So how you can do the synthesis of a simple sentence into compound sentence, and that can be done by using coordinating conjunctions. Some of the coordinating conjunctions have been given that are and, not only, but also, either or, neither nor, but, yet, however, therefore, though, although, for, so on. Okay, or so on. So, we may recollect that a compound sentence consists of two or more independent clauses called coordinating clauses. So what are coordinating clauses? How these coordinating clause is formed? It is formed by two independent clause. Okay, two or more independent clause makes coordinating clause. Two or more independent clause is called coordinating clause. So read the sentence given below and note how the conjunctions mentioned above have been used for the purpose of synthesis. Okay, so the conjunctions that we were talking, we would see in these examples that how they are forming the synthesis, how we are using these conjunctions to do the synthesis of this sentence. So first of all, first example is she was appreciated, she was rewarded. So when we are combining this sentence, it would become she was appreciated and rewarded. Next sentence, the thief was fined, the thief was sent to prison. So the thief was not only fined but also sent to prison. Third sentence, you can buy the blue gown, you can buy the pink sari. So you can either buy blue gown or the pink sari. So like this only all these sentences are combined together. So synthesis of this simple sentence is being done. Now let's move on to the exercise, that is A. So what we are going to do in this exercise, combine the following sentence into single sentence by using conjunctions therefore, and, not only, but also, neither nor, so, however, but, or yet. So some of the conjunctions have been given here. So with the help of these conjunctions we are going to do the sentences of the synthesis of the sentence that have been given. So the car had a flat tire, it stopped on the way. So how we are going to do the synthesis of these two simple sentences? So exercise number A, part 1. So the sentence is, the car had a flat tire. The car had a flat tire. Therefore, it stopped on the way. It stopped on the way. So, with the help of conjunction, therefore, we have joined two simple sentences together. Okay. Now, let's move on to another sentence. I am not going to do all the exercise. So, another sentence is, she was given a treat, she was given a gift. Okay. So, the answer to this would be, she not only she was given a treat, but also a gift. Okay. So this is the answer for question number, part 2 of the exercise A. Okay. Please write down the answer. Please take down the screenshot. Okay, so we are going to do one more sentence of this exercise. Wait a second. That is, Sunidhi broke the vase. Sangeeta broke the vase. I hope you have taken down the screenshot. Here the conjunction that we are using to join two sentences are not only and but also. Now I am rubbing this off. Please take down the screenshot, and after that I am rubbing off this sentence. Okay. So the third is Sunidhi broke the vase. Answer is neither Sunidhi nor Sangeeta broke the vase. Okay, Sunidhi, S is capital. So neither Sunidhi nor Sangeeta broke the vase. So the conjunction is neither nor. Am I clear? Okay, please take down the screenshot. Students, I hope you have taken down the screenshot. I won't be I won't be solving all the part of this particular exercise. Rest of the part is your homework. So let's move on to what? Another part. So, synthesis of simple sentences into complex sentence can be done by using a noun clause, an adjective clause, or an adverb clause. So how you are going? Firstly, we were talking the synthesis of simple sentence into compound sentence. Okay, and we were doing with the help of coordinating clause. Now we are going to do the synthesis of simple sentence into compound sentence, and how we are going to do that with the help of adjective clause, noun clause, and adverb clause. So a complex sentence consists of principal clause and one or more subordinate clause. So principal clause is what? Main clause. We are calling main clause is what? Principal clause. Principal clause. Okay, by using a noun clause. So how we are going to change or how we are going to do the synthesis of simple sentence into complex sentence with the help of noun clause. Firstly, we are going to deal with the noun clause. Okay, so a noun clause that is used for synthesis of sentence functions as a noun in complex sentence. It may be in the position of a subject or an object. The conjunctions used to introduce noun clause is that. So how we are going to do the synthesis of a simple sentence into complex sentence by using a noun clause? So what is going to happen? here in complex sentence, noun clause would be functioning as a noun in sentence. In a complex sentence, this noun can be on the position of what? A subject or an object. This noun can be on the position of what? Noun position in this sentence can be what? Subject or an object. Am I clear? So, the conjunction used to introduce a noun clause is that. So, which conjunction we are going to use in this noun clause? It would be that. Okay, we are going to use the noun clause that for the for the joining of sentence. Now, some of the examples have been given below. For example, they will reach the destination soon. We hope so. Okay, so we are going to join this sentence with a noun clause that. So the sentence would become, we hope that they will reach the destination soon. Okay, sentence become, we hope that they reach the destination soon. Okay, we hope that they reach they will reach the destination soon. They will reach the destination soon, and here that is the noun clause that we are using to what? To do the synthesis of simple sentence into complex sentence. Am I clear? Let's move on to another example, that is, Sheetal is a talented girl. Sheetal is a talented girl. We all know that. So, how we are going to join these sentences together? We are going to join the sentence together with that. So, we all know that Sheetal is a talented girl. We all know that Sheetal is a talented girl. Okay? Am I clear? Please take down the screenshot. Okay, so we have discussed synthesis of simple sentence into complex sentence with the help of noun clause. Okay, we have discussed this. Now we are going to see the synthesis of simple sentence into what? Complex sentence with the help of what? Adjective clause. Okay, with the help of adjective clause. We have talked about synthesis of simple sentence into complex sentence with the help of noun clause. Now we are going to deal with adjective clause. So what is how we are going to use adjective clause? Adjective clause may be used by combining sentences. Okay, it does the work of an adjective and gives more information about the noun in the principal clause of a complex sentence. So adjective clause we are going to deal with. How we are going to, it would be an adjective and it would be giving us more information of what? About the noun in the main clause. We are going to get the information of noun in the main clause, and then we are going to change it into complex sentence. For example, this is the town my family lived here earlier. Okay, so this is the town and here my family used to live. We are getting the information about the noun. So this is the town where my family lived earlier. So we are joining this sentence and it would become, this is the town where my family lived earlier. Okay. We are getting the information about the family and where they used to live. They used to live in a town. Am I clear? So here, where is the adjective clause? Okay, we are changing simple sentence into complex sentence with the help of adjective clause, that is where. Now another sentence, he is the man, he is respected the most. So we are going to know about this man, and this man is highly respected. So how we are going to join these sentences together? It would become, he is the man who is respected the most. Okay, he is the man who is respected the most, and here who is the adjective clause that is helping us to change this simple sentence into complex sentence. Am I clear? Okay. Okay, beta. So we are going to talk about this chapter in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and once again, Happy New Year to all of you.